Well, we're extending the track. Might as well. We're moving the dirt. Got the tree down. You'll see the video of that soon. That's the stump left. We're turning that into a high-speed burn. But this is going to be, I think, a dirt track. That's what I think. That's what I think. There's plenty of room. That's another day. But so these pillars came out pretty good, and we were able to get our new foundation wall poured. Started this side, we'll finish that tomorrow. The primary thing was getting that tree down. Got one more hole to do there. Moving right along. So we're gonna extend the carpet track and add a dirt track. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. Well, after this, you'll see a video of some tractor work, taking down the tree and having it come down. That pile out there, that brush, that's a lot of tree. That tree was tall. It was a big tree. I couldn't put my arms around it, put it that way. But anyways, like and subscribe and all that. Hope you dig it. We're taking down the tree. We got a grapple hook on her, cutting the bottom a little. We're hoping that the tractor will do the work once we get the primary cuts. The ropes just to give her a guidance when it gets closer. That's the way we do things. I gotta get out of control. I won't feel comfortable until this is done. I don't know if we got that, but that was pretty fucking awesome. Cha-ching! Even pre-split it for us. Fell right where you wanted it. Pretty much. It's gonna be easier to clean up this way. Yeah. You didn't even hurt my jump. That's insane. Oh shit.
I thought I was like good to go, but when you're standing this way and all of a sudden it's just you're looking up.
Yeah.
I was not looking. No. I was sketched out because I got into here.
Yeah, and it's all mush.
No, I didn't know. I didn't know where the mush was.
This is a healthy living thing.
Well, and I fucked that up, so I was trying to get myself out of it. By I
That was awesome.
Yeah.
Right? Holy crap, that's the first time that tree has been gone in forever. Oh. I had this sitting on the dash, so hopefully it caught it. I don't know. You know what I mean? I was like, I don't care.